Surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli are professionals who play a crucial role in the construction and development industry. They are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping land, as well as providing valuable data for engineers, architects, and other professionals involved in the planning and design of infrastructure projects. Ahamedpur Chauroli is a rapidly growing area, with increasing demand for residential and commercial properties. As a result, the need for experienced and skilled surveyors in this region has also grown significantly. The surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli use advanced tools and technology to carry out their work. They utilize DGP systems, total stations, and other equipment to accurately measure distances, angles, and elevations of the land. This information is then used to create detailed maps, charts, and reports that are essential for various purposes, including land acquisition, site planning, and construction layout. The surveyors also ensure that the construction projects adhere to local regulations and guidelines regarding land usage and boundaries. One of the key services provided by surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli is boundary surveying. This involves determining the legal boundaries of a property, which is crucial for property owners, developers, and real estate agents. By accurately identifying these boundaries, surveyors help avoid disputes and legal issues related to property ownership. They also assist in the subdivision of land by creating precise measurements and documentation required for dividing larger parcels into smaller lots. Another important aspect of the work done by surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli is topographic surveying. Topographic surveys are essential for the design and construction of infrastructure projects, as they provide valuable information about the existing conditions of the land. In the building and development sector, surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli are experts who play a critical role. They are in charge of precisely measuring and mapping the area and of giving useful information to engineers, architects, and other experts engaged in the planning and design of infrastructure projects. The demand for residential and commercial properties is rising in the rapidly expanding neighborhood of Ahamedpur Chauroli. The demand for knowledgeable and qualified surveyors in this area has thus increased tremendously. The surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli perform their work using cutting-edge equipment and technology. To precisely measure the lengths, angles, and elevations of the land, they make use of DGP systems, total stations, and other tools. The precise maps, charts, and reports that are produced as a result of this information are crucial for a variety of tasks, such as site planning, land acquisition, and construction layout. The surveyors also make sure that the building projects follow all applicable municipal rules and regulations regarding the use of the land and its limits. Boundary surveying is only one of the many important services that surveyors in Ahamedpur Chauroli offer. Surveyors aid in the avoidance of legal challenges and disagreements concerning property ownership by precisely defining these borders. By taking